Hi, my name is Nikhil.
And my name is Bharti.
This happened like in 2018, back in 2018. So it was a difficult phase, and then obviously when these sort of things happen, you sort of lose the confidence and you start to doubt on a lot of things, whether what will happen in the future and all that stuff. So this happened back during COVID times that we planned after a gap of about 2 years, 2 odd years. We thought like we should try once again. And as we found out that she was pregnant, so we were again, we didn't know what sort of feelings that was, whether to be happy, whether to be nervous or anxious. So as things panned out, again it was again a difficult journey. At the same time of being happy, we were also very cautious about what is going to happen, and every time we used to go out and get the ultrasound and tests, we were always nervous because of that thing.
Then one of my colleague, I called her and I told her everything, and then she told me, please visit to Deepika Aggarwal.
So as it panned out, again we were not sure like whether to go for C-section or normal. So she suggested that you should first try for normal delivery. So that was again a sense of, again it gave us this sense of ease or confidence that doctor is she's someone who is not rushing you into operation and all that stuff. So as it panned out, she went through a normal delivery. She undertook a lot of pains for a certain period of time, and when the time was right, a doctor came in our room, and again at that point of time she was trying to give her confidence, she was trying to motivate her, and she was again appreciating that you're doing good, you're doing great and all that stuff. So all in all, the journey that we had of the past 9 months, we were quite happy that we were in the safe hands. She recommended timely and ultrasounds, some extra ultrasounds as well, as a precautionary thing to make sure that everything is fine and all that. So all in all, once again I would say I would like to thank her. So when she gave birth to a baby boy, we had a good healthy baby boy. So the thing that she doesn't know is that the doctor came out, I was slightly crying in happiness and still didn't know what to do. I just hugged the doctor and I said thank you, and we will ever be grateful to you. So that was a bit emotional moment for me about this hospital. We did a little bit of research, and when we got to know it is specifically for mother and babies. So I mean, if some hospital is especially dealing in a certain thing, that was again assuring that okay, the doctors would be specialized, again dedicated to a specific thing that we want. And so we told to the doctor that we would want to get the surgery or delivery through you, and we would choose CK Birla. I would say staff is friendly.
Yeah.
They try to always help, and a couple of things that I noticed, that on occasions there were delays in the service, but now when I look back in the hindsight, I can understand this, being this COVID times, they are also under a little bit of pressure, and maybe lot of staff may not have come to work because of COVID thing. So but every time I see like they're not, I mean the good thing is that they're not lazy, they're not laid back.
Yeah.
So they once you tell them, sometimes it may take a bit of time, but then again they make sure that they fully comply to what we have asked from them. So all in all, I think staff is courteous.
Yeah, it was good
And
experience.
what about, do you want to say anything about food service or anything?
Food is really good. I really enjoyed the food.
So I started in the labor room. I think it was an induced labor.
Yeah.
So because it happened a bit earlier, so it was an induced labor. So we started off with a labor room. It was a spacious room. The size of the room was quite good. She could move around, specifically if she wanted to do a little bit of walk for 5-7 minutes. So she could move around in the room, and even for myself, I think as an attendant,
The bed was comfortable
yeah,
for
the
the
bed
attendant.
in the labor room, the bed that was provided was quite comfortable. The toiletries, I think, which are there are quite nice. They're, I think, Ayurveda products, or so they are quite nice fragrance. And so now we have shifted to this room. This is a twin sharing room. So again, the size is decent, and the lightings and, everything, the storage capacity is quite good, and cleanliness is also something that that is taken care of. I think they visit at least once in a day to clean the room, mop the floor.
Yeah.
So nice.
Everything is nice.
The hospital is well built, nice infrastructure, and from what we heard, that apart from Deepika Aggarwal, there are other nice doctors as well. So we have a planned visit in this coming week to the pediatrician. So we had couple of conversations with that guy as well, Dr. Saurabh.
Yeah.
He seemed to be quite. He seemed to know what he does. He seems to be good at his job. Again, did not have detailed conversation, but from the couple of conversation, whatever he was saying, he was also
Kind
quite
of
confident.
person. Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, we would definitely recommend that if the doctors are good, then hospital-wise, this is the place that you can trust, I think.
Thank you.
So thank you, CK Birla, thank you, Dr. Deepika,
Okay.
and thank you to all the nursing staff.